What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy JJ, and I'm going to be taking you guys on my journey of starting a YouTube channel from scratch in 2020. So just as in 2017, 2018, 2019, now in 2020, everybody is still asking, is YouTube too saturated? Is YouTube dead? No, YouTube isn't dead. Just like anything else, people continue to ask this year after year, using it as an excuse to not get started and to not take action. Nothing is ever too saturated and nothing is ever dead. All things do is just evolve, and you have to evolve with them. So in 2020, things might start to become a little different than they were in 2019 and 2018. But YouTube is still a great platform for you to build an audience and for you to share your knowledge and bring your value to the world. YouTube is extremely underestimated. And I think that just as in 2017, 2018, and 2019, 2020 will be no different. In 2020, YouTube will just continue to grow. So if you've been thinking about starting a channel, really push forward in 2020 and achieve your goals and starting your YouTube channel and growing your specific audience. So what I'm going to be doing is taking you on my journey from scratch. I personally sat in my head for years contemplating on whether I should start a channel because I too had the same excuses that many of you have. Not enough time. Is YouTube saturated? Is YouTube dead? I don't know how to start. I'm giving you guys no excuse. I have the same excuses as everyone else to not start a channel. And I woke up a couple weeks ago and decided I'm done cheating myself. I'm going to start this channel, so that's what I'm doing. So I urge you, if you're thinking about starting a channel or you have any type of ideas that you can share with the world, take action, take the first step. I believe that YouTube in 2020 still has the same opportunities, if not more, than what it had in 2017, 2018, and 2019. There is more information out there than ever to be able to start and create and grow your own YouTube channel in 2020, no matter what your idea is, no matter how weird it might be, no matter whatever it is, whatever you're passionate about, whatever value you can bring to YouTube, the platform is open for you to do that. There is more than enough room for new content creators. Over the coming weeks and months, I'm going to be taking you guys through my entire process, step by step, starting with how I set up my back end of my YouTube channel, how I got my canvas art made, how I got my emoji made for my channel, which a lot of people have been messaging me about. I know it's really cool. I'm going to take you guys through exactly how I got that done on a budget. And then I'm going to be taking you guys through my process of me even just creating this video, of me going out to go and get equipment, which I'm going to be doing on a budget as well. I'm going to take you guys through my entire learning process of everything that I learned, figuring out exactly what I wanted to do my channel about, and my creative process of actually figuring out what I'm going to be doing in my videos, what I'm going to say in my videos, and everything. And lastly, I'm really going to be taking you guys through just my entire process. So my goal is to be able to get another device, which I have an iPad, so I may use that to actually record me in the background as I'm going through my entire process, so you guys can really get the down and dirty on everything that's going on as I'm creating these videos. I want everything to be as raw and real as possible. So even this video right here, I am doing this video even before I learned about anything. So currently right now, I don't know anything about what equipment I need. I don't know anything about what softwares are out there for me to edit my videos or do whatever with my videos. I'm not even 100% sure of how to upload a YouTube video yet. So this will definitely be 100% raw and 100% real of me starting this channel from scratch with me having no experience at all. So I urge you, as I said before, to just get started with me and we can go on this journey together. So the first thing that I'll be doing in the upcoming probably couple of days or weeks is I'm going to be taking you guys with me to buy equipment. So I'm going to start with a $100 budget to buy equipment that can last me for at least the next 3 to 6 months as I grow this channel. I recommend that you not go all out when you're first starting your channel. It's not about the shiny stuff. You want to make sure that when you're going into a new venture, that you just allot a budget to make sure that you're actually committed. I've been through a lot of times, and I've also seen other people who start a new project that they're super excited about, and they focus more on the shiny things instead of the vital actions that you need to take to actually make progress. So focus more on making videos and not spending a whole bunch of money. When you start to grow and you're actually committed, then you want to start to reinvest and dumping some more money into it. So we're going to be on a $100 budget, and I'm going to go through Amazon with you guys, and I'm going to take you to a local store that we have here in Philadelphia called Five Below. So hopefully you have that store. I know that store more than likely will have everything that I might need in order for me to start off. Yes, the items aren't high quality, but they will be able to get me through the next 3 to 6 months of filming videos and growing this channel. So if you have a Five Below, that would be awesome. I'm going to take you guys with me to the store. If not, I do believe they may have a website. I'm not 100% sure if they have a website, but if they do, when I do go and get my items, if I do get everything from there, I will put the links below. But like I said, regardless, I'm still going to take you guys through Amazon and do some research on maybe a couple other websites where we can get cheaper equipment that can last for at least the next 3 to 6 months as we grow the channel, and even just decide if you want to keep doing it or not. This may not be for everybody. It may seem exciting, and then you start it and you think it's too much work, it's too time consuming, and you just may not really be passionate about it, about video editing, about whatever it is. So we're gonna go through that entire process over the next couple days and the next week. So I really hope you guys join me. So if you've been interested, I'm gonna be breaking all those things down. So please like, comment what you think, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date on what's going on and how things are changing in the YouTube world in 2020, because I will definitely be taking you guys through every single thing step by step.